This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your door handle. First, gather all your necessary tools before you begin. You will primarily need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and perhaps a pair of pliers for any tight spots. Always ensure your new door handle is complete with all its components and instructions. Having everything ready saves time and makes the process much smoother. This preparation is key for a quick and easy replacement. Begin by identifying the screws on the inside portion of your current door handle. Typically, these are visible on the escutcheon plate or on the handle itself. Carefully use your Phillips head screwdriver to loosen and remove all screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the two sides of the handle apart, detaching them from each other. Next, remove the old latch mechanism from the door's edge. It usually has two small screws. This completes the removal of your old hardware. Now take your new latch mechanism and slide it into the door's edge, ensuring the angled part, or bevel, faces the door jamb. Secure it firmly with the two small screws. Next, insert the spindle of the exterior handle through the door, aligning it correctly with the latch. Finally, position the interior handle, connect it to the exterior component, and tighten the two main screws. Make sure these screws are snug but do not over-tighten them. With your new door handle fully installed, it is time for a thorough test. Close the door and open it repeatedly, checking that the latch retracts and extends without any sticking. If your handle has a lock, confirm that it engages and disengages smoothly from both sides. Should you encounter any stiffness, gently adjust the screw tension slightly. Your door handle should now operate perfectly, providing reliable security and convenience for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.